Hey everybody, I wanted to jump on here really quickly and give you a Diddy update and then a Jay-Z update. So let's start with the Diddy update first. Now, according to the Source magazine, they're saying that there's a possibility that Diddy can get bail if he cooperates with the prosecution. It appears as if they're looking for him to name some bigger names in this RICO case. Now, what part of the RICO case? Is it the drugs part? Is it the trafficking part? We don't know. But this is how the article reads. It says, 2 weeks after his latest denial for bond, embattled Bad Boy Entertainment CEO Sean Diddy Combs finds himself at the center of a legal storm that shows no sign of quitting. Facing mounting pressure from the prosecutors, insiders now claim Diddy has been offered a chance at freedom, but at a cost that could send shockwaves through Hollywood and beyond. It goes on to say, according to reports from celebrity insider Janet Charlton, prosecutors are pushing Diddy to reveal the full extent of those allegedly involved in his rumored misdeeds. Sources suggest that authorities cast a wide net demanding details on celebrities, athletes, studio heads, agents, and powerful business figures who may have played a role in Combs' legal troubles. Charleston's source claims that while Diddy has remained silent thus far, the temptation of bail and the possibility of a lighter sentence looms large. Sean is being tempted to start naming names, and if he cooperates, he could likely be granted bail until his trial. However, Diddy's refusal to cooperate may not last forever. The insider hinted that the revelations could be seismic if Combs eventually speaks out. The list of people involved will shock the world. Now, from the things that we're hearing about his nervous breakdown on Christmas, if this is true, there's no doubt in my mind that Diddy would talk. It's apparent he doesn't know how to do time. He doesn't want to be in jail. He's not eating. He's probably not sleeping. Whoever they need, I'm sure he would tell the name. This article is also insinuating that there are bigger names out there, bigger than Jay-Z, bigger than Diddy. And it sounds like they know who they're going after. They just need Diddy to verify probably what they're already thinking. Now, with that being said, remember the golden rules. There is no honor among thieves. We already got Jay-Z distancing himself from Diddy. And there are so many pictures out there of these two. But according to Jay-Z, he's not that kind of friend. He's more of an associate. So I'm thinking at this point, if Diddy had bigger names that they're looking for, he will gladly turn them over. So that's the latest update in the Diddy portion of the lawsuit. Now let's go over to the Jay-Z portion of the lawsuit. This TMZ article states, Jay-Z's lawyers eyes legal loophole in attempt to throw out the R lawsuit. And the article reads, Jay-Z's attorney says there are a bunch of holes in the R lawsuit against the rapper, and he's looking to have the case thrown out. In new court documents obtained by TMZ, Alex Spiro, the lawyer representing the rap mogul, says he's gearing up to file a motion to dismiss the lawsuit against Jay-Z, claiming the statute Jane Doe is suing under didn't even take effect until the alleged sexual assault and can't be applied against the rapper retroactively. As Jay-Z's attorney puts it, the statute was enacted in December 2000, 3 months after Jane Doe claimed she was sexually assaulted by Jay-Z and Diddy at the MTV Video Music Awards after party. Even if the statute did apply, Jay-Z's lawyer says it only covers conduct committed within the New York City. He insists that the purported location of the alleged assault could not have been in New York City. He says Jane Doe claimed in her complaint she was driven from Radio City Music Hall to a large white residence with a gated U-shaped driveway about 20 minutes away. But Jay-Z's lawyer says any resident with that description, if it exists at the time, would be outside the territory boundaries of New York City. Jay-Z's lawyer doesn't stop there, arguing that any Jane Doe's possible claims have expired way back in August 2021. Jane Doe's attorney, Tony Busby, tells TMZ there are technical arguments being made and the law is clearly on our side and the side of the alleged victims. The law is well settled that we are correct. Now, it's clear that Alex Spiro needs to proceed very cautiously. You have already ticked off the judge. She doesn't like just numbers of endless motions coming in where she doesn't even have time to read them all or even think. She warned you, Mr. Spiro. Now, even though it's your job to do whatever you have to do to get Jay-Z off, we get that, but you don't want to piss off the judge. I'm also thinking were reports yesterday of Beyonce just getting tired of this whole thing, really wants this over with. They're probably applying a little pressure to Alex Spiro to do something so they can move on with their lives. The problem with that is if you move on too quickly, after the judge warned you about these endless motions that you're signing, that you're filing back to back to back to back to back, you don't want to piss off the judge. Now, I know he is a multi-million-dollar attorney and he's good at what he does, but yeah, it doesn't sound so good. I will slow my roll, but I am not an attorney. And I'm also not an attorney that has Jay-Z breathing down my neck. You know, I'm sure he's putting the pressure on. You don't want to lose him as a client, but you don't want to piss off the judge. I mean, to be quite honest, the man is almost in a no-win situation. You know, you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. You have a client to please. He's paying you millions of dollars. He is a multi-millionaire, money to burn. I mean, you are bringing in a lot of money for the law firm, a lot of attention, publicity. But on the other hand, you don't want to piss off the judge. And, I don't know what he's going to do. Sounds like he's rolling forward with another motion. So we'll have to sit back and see how the judge takes this. I mean, she warned you. She warned you. Again, Mr. Spiro, Judge Annalisa Torres, she's not playing with you. Proceed with caution. I guess we all have to sit back and wait and see what she says. In the meantime, let me know your thoughts in the comments section. Is Alex just put in a no-win situation, or is he an overzealous lawyer that doesn't know when the judge is pissed off at him? Also, what do you think about the Diddy case? Do you think that they're offering him a deal to get out on bail or even a possible plea deal? And who do you think that these big high-powered names are? I mean, I've run out of names. I don't know who it is. In the meantime, bye for now. Talk to you later.